Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the question related to four variable. Question related to four variable of K-map. In this video discuss the two question related to the K-map for the form of SOP, that means product of sum. Firstly make a product, then do a sum. If you want to watch a three variable K-map or designing of K-map, please watch my previous video. In this video we will discuss only the K-map related question for four variable of SOP. In the next video we will also discuss about the four variable question of K-map for the POS. So here is the question. The question is that A dash BC dash, this is the question. In this question we can see here the four variable A, B, C or D. Here is a four variable, so it is a four variable question. But how we can check this is the form of SOP or POS? So let's check. After a variable there is a one multiplication sign. So here is a multiplication sign. After multiplication there is a sum. That means firstly do a product, then second one is sum. Firstly do a product, then second one is sum. So first one is product. So in that one SOP, first one is product. So it is in the form of PSOP. That means firstly product, then second one is sum. So let's design the K-map of four variable. Four variable, that means 0 to 15, that means total 16 boxes. In the previous video I am also discussed this is the designing of four variable K-map of SOP. So please watch my previous video so understand how we can design a K-map. So let's make a boxes here. There is total 16 boxes to make a 4 row and 4 column. 4 row and 4 column. 4 row and 4 column. So we can write here the value like that. This is the value here, A dash B dash. This is the value, row values and column values. So we can write here row value. Row value, that means A dash B dash, A dash B, AB or AB dash. Next C dash D dash, C dash D, CD or CD dash. This is the term. Next put the value in the boxes. So first one is A dash B, C dash D dash. A dash, so first take two term, A dash B, A dash B. So where is the A dash B? Here it is a A dash B. Next C dash D dash. Where is the CD dash? Here it is a C dash D dash. So in that second row and the first column we can write here 1. Clear that? Next term is AB. Here where is the AB? So this one is AB and C dash D dash. Again this is first column. So here we write 1. Next A dash B. Take only two value A dash B. Where is the A dash? This is the A dash B. And the next two value is C dash D. So this one is the second column is C dash D. So here we can write also 1. Next one is again two value A dash B dash. This is the A dash B dash and CD. So it is the CD. Next is A dash B. This is the A dash B or CD dash. Where is CD dash? This is the CD dash. So here we can write 1. Next one is AB. This is the AB and CD dash. This is the AB, that means that row or CD dash. So here we write 1. Next AB dash. This is the AB dash and C dash D. So here we can write 1. Then next one is AB dash. Again this row and CD. So we can write here 1. This is the values of K-map. Let's make a pair or quad. So firstly here we can see this is the 2 value and this is also 2 value. So we can make a quad. This is the quad. Then here this value and this value left. So we cannot make a pair like this. So we can make a pair this value from that one. So next one is this value we can make this two pair. This is the pair, but this one is left alone, so we can make a pair this and this one. We can make a pair this value with this one. So here is a one quad and 1 2 3 pair, 3 pair, one quad and 3 pair. So next find out the term. So firstly write the number, that is 0 1 2 and 3, that is 4 5 6 and 7, 8 9, sorry, this is 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So let's make first, that is make a quad, that is 4 12 6 or 14, M4 M12 M6 or M14 14. So for the row and column, in that row this is A dash B dash AB. In that row there is a one value is common, that is B. In both row there is one common value, that is B. And for that column, for that one column, there is a one value is common, that is D dash. In those column there is a one value, D dash is common. So here we write D dash. So the term is BD dash. Next take a pair of this one, M4 and M5. So we can take M4 M5. In the M4 or M5, in that row which value is common? In that row there is a M4 and M5. This one is in the same row. The name of the row is A dash B. So here we write A dash B. But in the column, in that column there is a one value is common, that is C dash. In those one there is a C dash. So here we write C dash. So the term is, here we can write term is equal to here A dash B C dash. This is the term, A dash B C dash, A dash B or C dash. Next we can take another pair, that is this one, 9 or 11, M9 M11, row and column. For the row, this one both two value in the same row, that is AB dash. But for the column 9 or 11, that is C dash D or CD. Here is D is common. D is common because that is C dash and C both are different, but in both column there is a D is available. So in the place of column we can write D. So the term is AB dash D. Next one is last pair. The last pair is, that is M3 or M11. M3 M11. Row equal to, in that one there are two different rows. This row first and this two value is the first and last row. The common value is B dash. The common value is B dash. So we can write B dash. And the column, in that column both are in one column. The name of column is CD dash. Sorry, dot not is dash. That is CD. So the term is B dash C D. These are the term. So here is the four term. This and this. These are the term. Expression is that expression is equal to BD dash plus A dash BC dash plus A B dash D plus B dash C D. This is the answer. This is the answer of that question. So let's move to the another question. So the next question is that, this is the next question. Here is the summation sign. Here is it is a summation sign. So it is a clear that is the question related to the SOP, that means sum of products. So let's designing the. So it is a 4 variable K map. So we can make a boxes, that is 16 boxes, because in the 4 variable we can make a total 16 boxes, and the variable is A B C D. So we can write A dash B dash A dash B A B A B dash C dash D dash C dash D C D C D dash. If you remember, that means that A dash B dash, that means 0 0, that is 0 1, that is 1 1 and 1 0. It is also 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. That means this is the binary number of 0 1 3 2, 0 1 3 and 2. So you can also remember like that, this is the 1 2 3 or 0 1 2 or 3, 0 1 2 or 3. So this is the boxes of K map. So let's put a value, that is this is the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So in the place of 0 we can write 1. In the place of 1 we can write 1. In the place of 2 we can write 1 and 3, that is 1. 5, this is the 5, and 7 we can write 1, and 13 we also write 1. In the place of 15 we can write 1. In the place of 8, 9, 10 or 11. This is the value of K map. Let's make a quad or pair or octant. In this question, one more is that there is one octant. What is octant? Octant, that means 8 value, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the total 8 values. So we can make a quad. So let's 1 3 5 7. So we can write M1, M3, M5, M7, M13, M15, M9 or M11. So in that one, column, row or term. In that all value, there is nothing will be common in a row, because all are contained in a different row. So nothing value will be the common. So in the place of row we can write 0. So in the place of nothing will be common, that means 1, because it is a form of SOP. So we can write here 1. When we write using the POS, then we write 0. So for the column, there is 2 columns, C dash D or CD. In both column there is one value is common, that is D. So in the place of column we can write only D. So the term is D. So the next pair is that is 4 value in that corner. All are in the corner. So we can also make a quad. We can also make a quad with this 4. We can also make a quad with this 4, because by folding that type or that type, so we can all one are containing like that one. So we can make a quad. So next one is M0, M2, M8 or M10. Row, column or term. So in that one there are 2 row, A dash B, because this 2 value in A dash B dash and this 2 value in A B dash. So what is the common value between this row? So the common value of this row is B dash. So the row in B dash, and this are containing in one column, that is common value between 2 column, that is D dash. So the term is B dash D dash. So we can write here expression is, that is D plus B dash D dash. This is the answer. This is the simplified expression of that question. So in this video we will discuss about the question related to the K-map for the POS or SOP. In this video only discuss the SOP. For the next video we will discuss about the POF, question related to the 4 map. So if you can get any trouble to understand that, so please watch my previous video of designing this K-map 3 variable, 4 variable, and also related to the K-map questions, and watch my next video for the POS question for the 4 variable K-map. Thank you.